Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage version, and is the titanium gray color. So that's the box. It has two seals, one on the top and one on the bottom. The device actually was released this year, January 2024. Okay, let's dig in, open it, and see what is inside the box. One, second one. Okay, so the size actually is 6.2 inch. It has an aluminum body. Square design. Aluminum body. It has glass on the back. It feels good on the hand. It's a bit of heavy. It feels heavy. So I think because of the aluminum body. The weight is actually around 167 grams, so that's not so much. It has IP68 dust and water resistant. So two buttons on the sides. Type C charging. So the charging is, it has a 4000 milliampere battery, and the wired charging is 25 watt, and it charges 50% of its capacity into 30 minutes, at least Samsung claims. So that's the phone, and let's see what more is inside. Not sure, something more inside. Cable, I guess. A tool for the SIM, to remove the SIM, or the SD card, quick start guide, and a Type C cable. Yeah, that's all. Not that much nowadays. So that's the phone. It has three cameras on the back. One is 50 megapixel, 12 and 10, and the front camera is a selfie camera of 12 megapixel. This device is missing as well the 3.5 jack port for a wireless, for a wired earphones. It has, how I said, let's remove the protection to see the screen better. Yeah, it has a Gorilla Glass, and the version is Victus 2 on both sizes, so front and back. Yeah, it feels good on hand. Yeah, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra version. It has a processor Snapdragon 8 third generation, but this is the version, the US and Canada version. But the EU version has Exynos 2400, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the color, how I say, titanium gray. Yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.